Hello, Jardim! How are you? I miss you a lot, guys. I'm great. What about you? Are you okay? Okay, I'm here today to teach you how to draw a mouse. Can you see it? What animal is this? Repeat. Mouse. It's a mouse. Great. And this mouse here is special because he's made out of shapes. I'll teach you, okay, how to make it. Take a look, take a look. To draw this mouse here, we're gonna need some shapes. To be exact, 4 circles and 1 triangle. Very good. Now let's try to draw it. Let's do it. Okay, take a look. You can use any colored pencil you want, any color. I'm gonna use purple and black for that. You can use crayons, you can use colored pencils. It depends on you, okay? It's up to you. I have to make first a big triangle in the middle of the paper. Let's draw this big triangle. Can you see? It's a big triangle. Now we need 2 big circles. Let's draw these big circles. 1, 2. 2 big circles. Now let's make 2 small circles. Let's try to draw it. 1 small circle. 2 small circles. And then we're gonna paint the mouse. See? Between the eyes, around the small circles, and inside the big circle. After you paint, the mouse is gonna look like this. This one is painted already, okay? Can you see these white spaces in here? That's where I'm gonna use black. Can you see? To paint the nose of the mouse and to finish the eyes of the mouse. 1 eye, 2 eyes. Got it? Nice. And now the eyebrows. Just as a touch. And the whiskers. And you have a beautiful mouse, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it. I see you later next week. I miss you. And bye-bye.